This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Freedom Elite 27 FE is a Class C RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 29 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 8, TV, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, leveling jacks, awning, oven, LP detector, stove top burner, skylight, microwave, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features rear bedroom. This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Freedom Elite 27 FE is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.